You're watching Batesi TV.
Good evening and welcome to Batesi TV's very own Kimat Kimat. I'm Juliana Poleng and I'll be bringing you today's top local stories in a quick, clear and to the point format. The Dawbashnong of Umkiang, East Janta Hills has barred candidates from distributing money within the jurisdiction from 6 p.m. on Feb 19, 2025 until polling concludes. Headman Lasting Pala and Secretary Nicholas Lingdor stated that the move ensures a fair, bribe-free election for the Janta Hills Autonomous District Council, enabling voters to choose representatives without monetary influence. Violators will face legal action, reinforcing efforts towards transparent governance in the Nyotrap region. NPP State Secretary condemned VPP President Adan Miller Basiangwan during a public event in Mountain-Rao, Rangthong, Southwest Khasi Hills on Feb 15, 2025. Nongram accused Basiangwan of targeting local media outlets, which she claims serve the public and employ youth. He urged the respect for the freedom of the press in Meghalaya. Congress Maukhat Panthorum Krak candidate PNCM campaigned on Feb 15, 2025, urging voters to back the party in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council polls to curb government misrule. He highlighted the Meghalaya's Transfer of Lands Act limited enforcement under the 6th schedule, stressing that it applies only to scheduled areas, not European ward zones, underscoring the KHADC's pivotal role. A tea shop in Watran was engulfed in flames on Feb 17, 2025 at around 1:15 p.m. Workers and neighbouring shopkeepers were quick in a combined effort to control the fire, thus preventing it from spreading to adjacent business establishment. No injuries were reported, though the tea shop owner's identity remained unconfirmed. NPP State President and Deputy CM Bak Presun Tin Song campaigned in Peninsula on Feb 17, 2025, drumming up support for KHADC candidates Rak Bok Tin Song, Langkerdem Laikro, and Congress Mary Kharpuri Nongshken. He urged voters to back the NPP, likening the party's role to a symbolizing stability and development in the three constituencies. UDP's Mauhati candidate James Siliang accused NPP Charles Marngar of 6 years of zero development and switching allegiance after Congress MLA's victory. He urged voters to reject the NPP in the Khasi Hills ADC's poll, calling it a betrayal of Mauhati's trust. Khnam's Panthorum Krak candidate Bak Raymond Basiangwan urged voters at a Maupat rally on Feb 15, 2025 to reject 1,000, 2,000 cash bribes during the KHADC polls, calling it a short-term lure with generational harm. He emphasized scrutiny of candidates' agendas over monetary inducement. Leaders of Raj Sauksiang Saulama declared on Feb 17, 2025 that they will cease tribute payments to CM Khairim Hima until the Khasi Hills ADC revises a 2024 Act, protesting the erasure of right from local governance title, reduced autonomy and loss of land or resources oversight. The Vow descendants will also halt financial contribution, accusing the Hima of undermining traditional authority. In Ramrai Jarngam, Garo voters are making their voices heard ahead of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election. Independent candidate Badur Shai Kharbani received strong backing from the community at a rally in Malang Sildubi on Feb 17, 2025. The event, attended by Ramrai MLA RG Momin, highlight the significant influence of the Garo population in this diverse constituency. Kongsoni Khajana from Soyong sharply criticized the NPP, the UDP and the Congress at her rally in Wellington. She claimed that the NPP and UDP have failed to deliver on healthcare and accused the Congress of misleading voters about the issue related to her brother's ticket. And that wraps up today's edition of Kimat Kimat on Batesi TV. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates and until next time, wishing you a wonderful evening.